Hey guys, TJ here. Gonna show everyone how to use my Jedi mind trick to get rid of a pretty persistent case of the hiccups that I've got right now. It's all about breathing and relaxing completely. No talking, no doing anything. Find a spot on the wall on which to focus. And when you breathe, you want to breathe out as much as possible and in minimally. Obviously, you have to breathe in, but spend more time exhaling than you do inhale. Here goes. Seem to be gone. That's how you do it. Thank me later.